Hi, today I will share that what is the best mortgage lender in USA, how to qualify for a mortgage loan, mortgage tips, tricks, credit score and other information. Thank you for watching our video. If you are new on our video, please subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get latest videos on time. Please also share our channel and video with your friends and family members. Thank you. Today I will tell you how to find the best mortgage lender in USA. First of all, what is mortgage lender? Mortgage lender is the company which provide you a loan for your home. So you get this loan to get your home on installments or monthly installments and pay in very small amounts to the bank or company. In USA, many companies offer mortgage lender. So today I will share 5 best mortgage companies with you. Thank you. First of all, the first company is Chase Bank. From Chase Bank offers mortgage lenders very easily. Minimum credit score you need is 620. Mortgage rate is lower than national range. Days to close 3 weeks. So now I will tell you Chase pros and cons. Low down payment loans available, flexible credit and income requirements for certain loans, discount for existing customers and borrowers who complete a loan educational courses. Borrower will receive 25,000 through the Chase closing guarantee if the close date is missed. So, some pro cons about Chase mortgage loan. The lender does not offer USDA loans. Home lending advisors are not available in Hawaii or Alaska. Chase does not currently offer home equity loans. New HELOC applications are paused. So, if you fulfill these requirements, please go to Chase Bank and apply for Chase mortgage loan. Thank you. The second bank is Flagstar Bank. There is also a good offer for you. Best lender for new home construction or mortgage. Flagstar Bank. Minimum credit score required is 680, lower than the national average. Day to close is 35 days average. Some pros about Flagstar Bank. Both online and branch location in a few states available. Low mortgage rate available. Alternative data such as a utility and rent payments are considered. Low minimum credit score mortgage offers like 680. There are discounts for first responders, veterans, members of the military and others. Some cons of Flagster banks are branch locations are not available in every state. Flagster banks only are working in specific states, so you can't get mortgage loan in all states. The third bank is Mr. Cooper, best mortgage app for borrowers. Minimum credit score need is 620. Day to close 13 to 45 days. Some pros of Mr. Cooper's low minimum credit score requirements, several discounts programs available, ample digital support for accepting customers. Some cons about Mr. Cooper's The lender does not offer USDA loans. There are no brick and mortar locations. The lender does not offer home equity loan or reserve. So today I will share a three loans, mortgage loans with you. Thank you for watching our video. Tata, bye bye.